Hey y'all, it's your girl Raylan Chanel, and I'm here with another video. I wanted to talk to you guys about how to put on lashes correctly. So these are about strip lashes because I do sell them with my company, Petals Luxury. If you want to go ahead and check that out, it'll be in the link below. We are going to talk about basically the steps to make it a lot easier to apply the lashes, and also how to customize the lashes so that you could rewear them. In my case, with my lashes, you could wear them 20 to 25 times. So once you cut them, they're going to be custom to your eye shape. All you got to do is plop them on, and you could go back to this video as reference so that you can know exactly how I like to put on my lashes, and hopefully they'll help you know how to put on your own lashes. So before we get into this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and then also press the subscribe button, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos on my channel. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. This video has been long overdue, obviously. I wanted to come at you guys with natural makeup. Of course not too natural because I got highlight popping right now, but yeah, I wanted to kind of just show you guys what tools I use. Tweezers. So these are like my regular tweezers. They have just a regular slant to it, and you could use these to pluck your eyebrows. You get this from Walmart, Target, Walgreens, any type of drugstore, and of course online. These are just the kind that I like to use. I like to use these small scissors. So these are the scissors that I like to use. They're kind of small, as you can see. They can fit the palm of my hand, and they're kind of curved, as you can see. These ones I like to use to groom my brows as well, but I use these for my lashes. So as you can see, stainless steel, super easy. The next thing that I used to use Duo lash glue, but I wanted to come up with my own lash glue, so I did. And this is our Petals Luxury lash glue, and it's actually latex free, vegan formula, hyperallergenic. So if you're allergic to latex, you can use this lash glue, and this is gonna last you all day. I wear this all the time, and it comes out white and it dries clear. So I promise you guys are gonna have amazing results with this, and I really love the texture of this. Even when I pull off my lashes, I don't feel like it's pulling my actual lashes off. It's very like a soft formula, and I really love this. Not saying it just because it's my brand, but I really do love this. And I used to vouch for Duo all the time. Duo was something that I used for years. And of course, you want to have your favorite mascara. This is not my favorite, but it is one that I do like to use. This is just a Maybelline lash mascara, and it has like these nice bristles that I like. They're kind of slanted, but I like these type of bristles because I can easily get to the lower lashes with the more like smaller part of the wand. So yeah, but get your favorite mascara, and then of course your favorite lashes. Okay, so these are my Versace lashes from our Petals Luxury brand. As you guys can see, they are so pretty and luxurious. Let me take them out the package so you can see them. These are our most popular lashes. So these are gonna be so pretty and natural on you without putting any liner on. And of course, you could go to the link in the description box so you could see what they actually look like up close on my website. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Another thing you're gonna need is a mirror. So I'm just using this little hand mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in to my eyes so that you guys can see a little bit better up close of what I'm doing. Alright guys, so we are very close and personal, and what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take my mascara, and I'm gonna use this to prep my lashes. So my lashes have like kind of like powder on them a little bit. They also have makeup debris, so they're not as like dark as they're usually supposed to be, but it's good because the mascara is going to cover that right up. So we're going to use this wand and go ahead and cover up, and all you do is you just start from the root and work your way up. If you're using mascara for the first time, just be very light handed with it, and this is going to help blend the lashes with your natural lashes. So you could see the difference with my lashes, how more dominant this one looks and more light this one looks, because I'm putting the mascara on this one first. And then we're going to work on the other side. So once you're done prepping your natural lashes, we're going to go ahead and customize our lashes, which I'm using, again, Versace. So we're going to customize these. The way that I like to get these out of the box, or off the tray I should say, is I like to take my tweezers and I like to use the more flat side. I'm gonna go ahead and take the strip of it, the end of the strip of it, and I'm gonna peel it off very gently. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty much off now, and then I'll just use my fingers to take the rest of it off. Now I have the lash off the tray. Now, when you take the lash off the tray, there is gonna be a little bit of residue on the lashes, so I just like feel it and then take it off. But if you feel more comfortable using tweezers, you can, but just be careful not to unravel it. That's why I like to use my fingers, because it makes it easier to just take the glue off. Like, it kind of just rub your two fingers together like that against the strip, and then it will come right off. It's really not that hard, but some people like to do different ways, but this is just the way I like to do it. So I'm just taking the residue off. I'm going to take the lash in the middle with my tweezers, and I'm going to go ahead and place it on my eye just so I can measure it out and see what size I need to cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and place it right on top. And I'm gonna like look at it to measure just to see where to cut it at. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess that I don't need. Some people don't have to cut them, but I have small eyes, so I usually have to cut mine all the time now. So I just have it in my hands, and I'm gonna just cut off the end. I'm gonna cut off this side because I want the flare to still stay, where the inner corner is usually thinner, which is good, because if you look at your natural lashes, you can see that your lashes are thin here and then they get thicker here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess off. And you want to just be careful when you're cutting it too, because you can cut the other side just to get the strip to be even, and that's just what I like to do. I like to just make sure that it's just perfectly customized to my liking. Now I have it customized to my liking. The next step that you do want to do is you want to double check and make sure that your the way you cut it is how you like it. So I'm going to go ahead and place it back onto my eye just so I can see. And yes, that's a perfect fit. That's exactly how I want it to be, okay? So now the next step is putting on the glue. Now, this is our Petals Rosé Luxury Glue. Again, it's latex free, hypoallergenic, and vegan formula. The great thing about it is it has a wand. So the wand is really nice because you could just put it straight on the strip. So that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the last strip. And I like to do a couple of coats. So now I'm going to wait for the lash glue to kind of get tacky. A way for you to know if it gets tacky is by looking at it. But if you don't have a trained eye like myself, makeup artist, or somebody that always does makeup on themselves, then a good way to kind of know is waiting for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna just go ahead and blow on it, and then I'm gonna count to 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and place it on, and the way I place it on is I put it right in the middle, and then I'm gonna tag this side, and then I'm gonna tack on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Make sure you don't get the glue on your lashes, okay? That's why I like to kind of look down, and then I place it upwards, and then I bring it in close to the lash bed and stick it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pin down the other sides. All right, and we have a perfect fit. So as you can see, I have no liner on or anything, and it's fitting perfectly. I'm just gonna adjust it to my liking just by pressing it in, and boom. As you guys can see, lashes make such a huge difference. You can see my eye looks more like open and more like luxurious with the lashes on. And now we're gonna go ahead and put on the second lash. Alright, so that's how we apply our luxury lashes, how to put on lashes, and I hope I was able to help you guys with this simple task, but it can be a little tedious. The reason why I didn't show this one was because I was having a little bit of trouble myself. So the best of us do have struggles, mind you. Sometimes we have a nice eye that works well, and then other times we don't. So then there's times where they both work, who knows. But don't feel discouraged, just keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Let it just be known, I struggle too. I struggle all the time with my makeup. There's times where I'm like, it was a hit, it was a miss, and I just want to encourage you guys to just keep going. If this is something that you're passionate about, or this is something that you love to do, or this is something that you just really enjoy doing when you get the finished results, I just encourage you to just keep going, because lashes can be a little bit of a struggle for everybody. You're not alone, okay? And again, if you guys do want to look at our collection, you go ahead and go to the link at the bottom of the description box and see our website, which is www.petalsjoseluxury.com, and you could go ahead and purchase lashes there. You can also purchase hair bundles. That's what I'm wearing today. These are Petals Jose Luxury hair bundles, and also our HD frontal closure. Yes, honey. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you give this a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more videos, and don't forget to leave a comment, because I love commenting back to you guys. All right, okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.